Picture this. It's mid-November 2025, and the night sky explodes in a breathtaking display of green, pink, and purple auroras, visible much farther south than usual. A powerful solar storm is painting the heavens, but while we on Earth were marveling at the show, astronauts aboard the International Space Station were preparing for a very different kind of event, a blast of dangerous space radiation. For us down here, these cosmic light shows are mostly harmless. Our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field act like a super strong shield, blocking the worst of what the sun throws at us. NASA and the EPA both confirm that even during intense storms, we're well protected. But once you leave that protective bubble, the story completely changes. This particular storm was unleashed by a massive sunspot, R4-74. It hurled enormous clouds of solar material, known as coronal mass ejections or CMEs, straight toward Earth. These weren't just pretty lights, they were packed with heavy radioactive ions. For astronauts in low Earth orbit, that's a serious health risk. So, while the dazzling auroras dance below, flight controllers on the ground were making critical decisions. They instructed the 3 Russian cosmonauts on the ISS to take shelter. For one night, they didn't sleep in their usual quarters. Instead, they moved into the Destiny laboratory module. Why there? Because Destiny has thicker walls, offering better protection against the incoming radiation. It essentially became their storm shelter in space. Meanwhile, the American and Japanese astronauts stayed in their regular sleeping areas. Flight controllers had carefully calculated the radiation risk, determining which parts of the station were safer than others. They even gave instructions on which specific modules the entire crew should avoid during the peak of the storm to minimize their exposure. This event serves as a stark reminder of the invisible dangers that come with the spectacular beauty of space weather. What we see as a stunning light show is, for those living and working in orbit, a potential hazard that requires careful planning and quick action. It highlights the constant balance between the awe of space exploration and the very real risks that astronauts face every single day. The same sun that gives us life can also pose a significant threat once we venture beyond our atmospheric shield. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more amazing space stories.